Jered Kenna, the young millionaire, started his Bitcoin investment by buying the coin for as low as $0.2 each. The worth of each Bitcoin became $258. He sold his coins and made a fortune. The man confesses he lost nearly $200,000 when he formatted a flash drive. Therefore, a young millionaire could have earned way more than his impressive revenue of $30 million if it wasn't for his mistake. We don't want you to make the same mistake as Jered Kenna. Taking a lesson from Jered Kenna's story, today we are going to show you 5 sure ways of succeeding in cryptocurrency trading in 2021. Have enough savings before trading. Be updated with current news and events. Order types, limits, and stop losses. Self-control. Control your emotions or FOMO. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Crypto King. Here you will get the latest cryptocurrency news, all investing information in crypto, and how to earn money from crypto. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified every time we upload a new video. So, let's get started. Have enough savings before trading. Before you even start trading, don't use all of your savings to trade Bitcoin. That's the #1 rule to become a successful Bitcoin trader. The price behavior of Bitcoin can be very volatile. Most of the time, your decisions on Bitcoin trades will only come from speculations, which is high risk. Because of this, you must only trade an amount that you'll be comfortable losing. By making it a rule to trade only what you can lose, you won't be very tense and worried when you're trading Bitcoin since you can shoulder the losses. Taking away the thoughts of losing all of your savings will make you a better trader by preventing you from panic selling. Be updated with current news and events. Even if you already do technical analysis, it's still very important to stay informed of the news and current events. Many times, the price of Bitcoin is also affected by news regarding Bitcoin. Make sure that you follow news websites to get the latest news on Bitcoin, and any knowledge that you get from news about Bitcoin will affect your decisions regarding your trades. Order types, limits, and stop losses. Digital asset exchanges have a variety of tools traders can use to prevent mistakes and prevent losing trades from spiraling out of control. These include stop losses and limit orders. Crypto traders must understand the different order types and loss mitigation techniques. Unlike a regular market buy order, limit orders allow you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay for a cryptocurrency. This technique prevents you from paying more than you expected if the price increases while your order is being filled. Stop losses, on the other hand, automatically sell your cryptocurrency if the price falls to a specified level to prevent you from losing more money than you expected. Self-control. A crypto trader must understand their own emotions, especially fear and greed. Emotional control is what separates successful cryptocurrency traders from everyone else. Fear and greed are powerful emotional forces that can cloud a person's judgment, causing them to make the wrong decisions. Successful traders learn how to control their emotions and stick to their trading strategy. Control your emotions, or FOMO. FOMO is an abbreviation of fear of missing out. This is one of the most notorious reasons as to why many traders fail in the art. From an outside point of view, it is never a good scene seeing people make massive profits within minutes from pumped up coins. Honestly, I never like such situations any more than you do, but I'll tell you one thing that's for sure. Beware of that moment when the green candle seems to be screaming at you and telling you to jump in. It is at this point that the whales I mentioned earlier will be smiling and watching you to buy the coin they bought earlier at very low prices. Guess what normally follows? This coin usually ends up in the hand of small traders, and the next thing that happens is that the red candles to start popping up due to an oversupply, and voila, losses start trickling in. Hopefully, this list has given you a foundation for a success as a cryptocurrency trader. But it's important to remember that no matter how good you get at trading, you will occasionally make mistakes and lose money. Bad trades are the part of the games. Success simply means you win more than you lose. Before we end the video, listen to the story continuation of my previous video. I didn't have much money to my name, but within a couple of months, I have started my investing and no regrets later. I've managed to build a small portfolio of Ripple, Ethereum, and Ethereum Classic and plan to reinvest my profits into new altcoins down the track. I've made around $5,500 within the first 6 months. What I like most about cryptocurrency is it's not only super investing to learn about, but it also brings people closer together. Over Christmas, I was finally able to connect with my brother's girlfriend, and guess what we spoke about? Ripple. We now frequently share crypto memes with each other over Instagram. At the end of all this, I'd like to use my crypto profits to fund a holiday with my partner and use the rest to get back into the brick and mortar stock market because I sold my shares in Telstra to get here. That's all for today. If you have any question regarding cryptocurrencies, let us know in the comment section. For more on cryptocurrencies, kindly subscribe to our channel. Do us a favor by liking, commenting, and sharing our content with friends or across your social media channels.